Welcome back to my fun voyage to one of my favorite country, known around the world for its precision engineering and high-tech products, equally admired for its old world charm and Gemütlichkeit, Germany. I have lived here for almost 5 years and I love the cuisine and the culture. Food here is robust and the portions are huge, and so are the people. The local food is of various kinds: sausages or wurst, pretzels, schnitzel, Brötchen, Kuchen, and roast pork, Sauerbraten, accompanied by big mugs of foamy German beer. Prost! A complete gastronomic delight. The fun element is the local rivalries between the Alt beer and the Kölnisch beer from Köln.
This is real beer?
This is real beer, not Coach. Coach is
Coach is for?
for baby.
I landed in Frankfurt and took the world famous Deutsche Bahn and went to my most favorite city, Dusseldorf, known for its fashion industry and art scene. The narrow streets of Altstadt, Dusseldorf's old town, is home to relaxed cafes, cocktail bars, cool dance clubs, and pubs. Pouring the city's traditional Alt beer, you get a variety of options to choose from: sushi and Italian served by these different cafes and restaurants. I visited Pizzeria Pinocchio, where you get the best Italian pizzas. Schinken pizza. I had panna cotta with ice cream and one of my favorite dessert, tiramisu, which means pick me up. It is a combination of liquor, coffee, and sponge finger biscuits, and definitely something to be picked up for. I met my friends in Café Schuster at Clementplatz for breakfast buffet.
So we all know that breaking bread is very common, that with friends you break bread. But do you cut breads? Yes, you do. I am in Germany, Dusseldorf, and this is how Germans cut their bread, not break. So it's cut like this, exactly from the middle, and then you can fill it up with your butter, cheese, sausages, whatever you like.
We strolled around the Königsallee. That's a place where people see and to be seen. One side is high-end shops and cafes and ristos all along. In Germany, there is a tradition of having coffee and cake, or rather Kaffeekuchen. From 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it's a time to sit down with friends and family and catch up. The most famous cake is Black Forest cake that came from the region Black Forest, which is in German called Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte. To follow the culture, we went to the most famous chain that serves the popular variety cakes, Heinemann. We had poppy seed cake, and Baumkuchen means the layers found in the tree bark. Chef Anthony Chapong set up modern cuisine fusion restaurant, Anthony's Cooking School and Restaurant, where he converts classic world recipes and adds his modern technique touch to recreate. His recipes are inspired from the world food scene with a very modern plating and presentation.
You're trying your own dessert? So chef, how is it?
Very good.
Very good.
Very good. I like it.
Super. I think now I need to taste too. Very fresh. I think the mint soup is giving such a freshness to your palate.
Germany is backed by German autobahns, where there is no speed limit, which is perfect for the kind of cars the country produces to showcase the performance. Here, cars are a symbol of national pride and social status. The next stop was Hafen, which means port. It is a new part of the town and a restaurant hub, where all the happening new restaurants have come out there by the river Rhine. I had ceviche with dragon fruit, caviar and radishes, followed by sea bream with parmesan crisp and pesto, sweet potato fries, grilled salmon, seafood risotto, grilled cod, and octopus for dinner. Saw the beautiful sunset by the river and pretty reflections, and later on witnessed a skating rally. The next morning, opened my eyes to the beautiful singing of kids. Headed to the Berliner Imbiss for Wurst. Currywurst being very famous in this imbiss. Later, went to Clementplatz for its delicious ice cream, then had lunch at the Bazaar restaurant.
I'm in Altstadt, and this lane where I'm walking is the Spanish lane. You have to rub his knees for luck, for good luck. So please give me good luck, please, 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 please give me good luck, and good luck to all of you who's watching me.
Then visited the Mustard Museum in Altstadt. Here you'll find great variety of German mustards, from the smooth and the sharp or Zafer Zen, which go very well with all meats and cheeses, the sweet and delicate Bavarian Zuser Senf, the traditional mustard for the mild sausage known as Weisswurst.
So 100-year-old shop selling mustard, only mustard, but so many different kinds. It's an eye-opener, isn't it?
The next day, we went to the very modern cafe in Kaiserswerth, had breakfast buffet with cold cuts, Brötchen and coffee.
I'm roaming around by the side of the river Rhine. Lovely sunny day.
Went for lunch to a very old German friend's house and she served me Spargel, white asparagus. Germans are obsessed with Spargel and make meals out of it. We had Spargel soup, asparagus and potato boiled, best quality ham, ice cream, strawberry roulade, cake and coffee. Yummy. I love to go back to Germany. It's dear to my heart. A country's worth is not determined by the economic condition or how touristy the place is. I think a place gets closer to your heart because of the warmth of the people and the bond. So Germany offers me this warmth and this bond that brings me back year after year. Auf Wiedersehen, Deutschland. See you soon.